Why should you come to Al-Mawrid's Iftar dinner? Al-Mawrid Australia's work is focused on the purification of our Islamic knowledge, in accordance with the teachings of the Quran and Sunnah of Prophet Mohammad, peace be upon him, and the education and propagation of Islam. This work carries great rewards, and your contribution in this cause will be rewarded by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself. Surah Al-Baqarah mentions that the people who donate and help the needy will get up to 700 times the rewards for Allah on the Day of Judgment. During the event, there will be a message from Javed Ahmad Ghamidi made specially for the donors.
और मैंने देखा है कि दावत के जो खुद्दाम वहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, बड़ी मेहनत के साथ कर रहे हैं.
Along with a poem written by him. A video on the introduction to the Quran will also be premiered. What is the Quran? Attendees will be able to buy books written by Javed Ahmad Ghamidi, Abu Yahya, Dr. Shehzad Salim, and all the other scholars of Al-Mawrid. There will also be Islamic calligraphy paintings drawn by Sarah Rafiq, the proceeds of which will be donated to Al-Mawrid Australia. And yes, there will be a great Iftar dinner, and each family will get a copy of Al-Bayan Volume 1 worth $40 free. Inshallah, we will see you on Sunday at Himalayas.